Worried about your saved credit card info on Shopify? Let's lock it down and remove that payment method in just a few simple steps, keeping your account secure and preventing any unexpected charges. Alright, first things first. Head over to Shopify.com and log into your account. Make sure you're logging into the account you want to remove the credit card from. Once you're in the dashboard, look for your profile icon or your name in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. Click on it. This will open a drop-down menu with account options. In that drop-down menu, you'll see an option labeled Manage Account. Go ahead and click on it. This takes you to your account settings. Now on the account settings page, look for billing. It's usually located on the left-hand side menu. Click on billing to access your payment information. Here's where you'll see your saved payment methods. Find the credit card you want to remove and click the Remove Card button next to it. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking if you're sure you want to remove the card. Read the message carefully. And if you're ready, click the Remove button to confirm. And that's it. The credit card has now been successfully removed from your Shopify account. For extra security, make sure to log out of your Shopify account when you are done.